With regard to characteristics of social stratification, uh, fifthly, it is consequential. The stratification is consequential in character. It affects whole society, so it is consequential. Stratification has its own consequences or its own results. The most important and limited things in human life are distributed unequally because of stratification, and it leads to two kinds of consequences. Firstly, the life chances, and secondly, the styles. The life chances relating to infant mortality, mortality, longevity, physical and mental illness, childlessness, marital conflict, separation, and divorce. And the lifestyle, it refers or it includes the matters such as mode of housing, residential area, one's education, means of recreation, relationship between parents and children, the kind of books, magazines, and TV shows to which one is exposed, one's mode of conveyance, and so on. Life chances are more involuntary, while lifestyles reflect differences in preferences, tastes, and values. The origin of stratification, social stratification, when it origin of social stratification, there are two main theories concerning the origin of social stratification. Firstly, the theory of economic determinism, or the conflict theory, and secondly, the functionalist theory. First one, we take the conflict theory or theory of economic determinism. According to Karl Marx, economic factors are responsible for the emergence of different strata or social classes. The economic factors are responsible for the emergence of different classes, and social classes are defined their relation to means of production, that is ownership and non-ownership. They are in conflict. Ownership, non-ownership, they are in conflict. And Gumplovich and Oppenheimer and others have argued that origin of social stratification is to be found in the conquest of one group by another. The conquered group normally dominates the conquering group normally dominates the conquered group. Conquered group is forced to accept the lower status or lower class life, and C.C. North also expressed the same opinion. And the functional in another theory is functional theory. Kingsley Davis, P.A. Sorokin, McIver, and others have rejected conflict theory of Marx. Sorokin pointed out that, pointed conflict may facilitate stratification, but never originated it, and he opines that stratification mainly inherited individual differences in environmental conditions. Kingsley Davis and stratification, he says, or Kingsley Davis said the stratification came into being due to functional necessity of the society, and the functional necessity of any society placing and motivating individual in social structure. And social stratification is an unconsciously evolved device by which most important positions are unconsciously filled by most qualified persons. The conflict theory and functional theory have their own merits and demerits. Okay, thank you.